Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn to convert specific Excel worksheet to PDF using PDF.co and Zapier. We will convert this sample invoice in Sheet 1. Let's begin. First, log into your Zapier account and create a Zap. Next, select the PDF.co app and choose the custom API call for the action event. Now, let's set up the custom API call configuration. In the PDF.co API endpoint field, select the /v1/xls/convert/to/pdf endpoint. Under the URL input parameter override, enter the Google Sheet link. The embed link from Google Sheet works here. In the input JSON field, enter the sample JSON below. The worksheet index parameter will allow you to specify which specific sheet you'd like to convert to PDF. The worksheet index starts at 0 for Sheet 1 and the worksheet index 1 represents Sheet 2. After setting up the configuration, click the Test and Review button. Great! The PDF.co is successfully processing our request. You can copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here's the converted PDF output. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.